Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech, and today we're going to compare the Kospet Prime versus KingWear KC05. We did show you before these two smartwatches, both of them, and we compared them with other smartwatches, for example the Kospet with Xiaomi, KingWear with other Androids. Now it's time to compare Kospet versus KC05 from KingWear. So, if you don't know, in the beginning we show you some specifics about both of these devices. We show you the software and we test some of the options that we will see, and in that we will discuss about both of these smartwatches, how they perform, the good things and bad things about them. So let's begin first with the Kospet Prime, and then we will see the tests in KC05 as well. As you can see, we have now here the Kospet Prime with 1.6 inch super large full touchscreen display. We have a very clear display in the Kospet Prime. We are using Android 7.1.1. We have 1260 mAh polymer battery, and we have a dual camera. We have the 2 megapixel front camera and the 8 megapixel side camera. We have 3 gigabytes of RAM and 32 gigabytes of RAM in the Kospet Prime. We have also 9 different sports mode, GPS navigation, and we have other functions that we can see in this video. So as we know, we have the front camera. The Kospet Prime has a Face ID unlock that we will test in the future of this video. As we can see, the camera sits right here and it works really good. So let's go ahead and do some tests about these smartwatches, and then we come to a conclusion which one is better. We have here this beautiful 1.6 inch screen. As we said in the beginning, we can see the front 2 megapixel camera, 2 buttons in the side that serve for power it on and off, and some shortcuts. Also this beautiful watch face, as you can see right here, also same as the smartwatch, same as the Xiaomi Mi Watch. We can change faces just by pressing it and holding it, and now we have different choices starting from Kospet faces and some faces that we downloaded. As you can see now here, down we have some activities or data for activities that we done while we are wearing the watch. Up we have the taskbar with some information about our watch. We have here time, date, day, percentage of battery, and we have the sign for Bluetooth and SIM card as well, and we have some shortcuts, as you can see right here, for do not disturb, airplane mode, mobile network, GPS, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and different stuff. Also we have cleaner and music control here in this page. In the left we have notifications, and in the right we have the menu. As you can see, the menu will start from contacts, phone, messages, settings, browser, downloads, calendar, clock, camera, gallery, music, sound record, file manager, heart rate, fitness, weather, voice search, Play Store, Maps, Assistant, System Optimization, App Store, and Face Unlock in the end of the menu. Let's test some of the options of Kospet Prime as we saw until now. Let's go to the menu, go up, we have fitness here. Outdoor running is the first one. Press go. We have a 3-second countdown, and as you can see we have the timer going. We have the kilometers, blood pressure measurements, burn calories, we have kilometer per hour, and we have minutes per kilometer in the bottom of the Kospet. As you can see, everything is going smoothly, and in this case we know that the Kospet sport mode works. So let's go ahead, test the heart rate now and see what we got from there. We have now here the heart rate. Press it and immediately it will start to measure my heart rate. And we have here the result. Honestly, this was a bit faster than the Xiaomi Mi Watch. As you can see, the result is saved with date and time, also minutes and seconds. And that's a pretty good thing to know when you measured your heart rate the last time. So you can see these are working really good. We have one more option to test it, and that is the Face ID that we have here in Kospet. So let's go ahead and test it. Shut it first. Now we have here, and as you can see it says unlock successfully. Let's test that one more time. Swipe up and it recognized immediately my face that is right beside the camera. As you can see, now we have here the KC05. The KC05, if you don't know, it has 1 GB of RAM and 16 GB of RAM. It's waterproof and designed to deal with conditions like sweats and a bit of rain. So it's very useful in daily using. So you don't have to be always so careful to not get wet this watch. We have different sport modes and health caring, also a battery from 620 milliamp hour battery, and it's enough for this smartwatch. So let's go ahead, see some options that we have here in the KC05, and then we can test with or compare with Mi Watch. As you can see, now in the first page we have this beautiful face that we put on. We can change it just by pressing it and holding it, same as other smartwatches. So you can see right here how it works. We can change it or put other things or download more here in the KC05. You can see here in the left of KC05 we have notifications. Down we have some sports data. As you can see, all the days of the week are here. Up we have the taskbar. As you can see, we have time, day, date, percentage of battery, and two logos of Bluetooth and SIM card. In the right we have here some shortcuts for brightness, do not disturb, airplane mode, mobile network, location, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. More we have here cleaner, and we have music control and the weather in the end. In the right we have the menu, as you can see, starting from contacts, messages, Google Chrome, calendar, alarm clock, download, settings, calls, camera, music, file manager, steps, weather, heart rate, sound record, gallery. We have voice search, location, Play Store, assistant, and we have here YouTube, Instagram and Messenger that we downloaded before. So let's go ahead and wear this smartwatch, see how it sits in our hand, and test some of the health caring, and then we're going to test these apps that we downloaded before and see what we got from them. Now we have here the KC05. As you can see, we are at the menu, and let's go ahead. We have here the sport mode. The first thing is outdoor run. Press go and we can see seconds going. We have here kilometers, blood pressure measurement, burn calories, kilometer per hour, and minutes per kilometer in the end. Everything is working really good, as you can see right now. We don't have any trouble at all. Now we have the results here for the blood pressure, so we know you can use the KC05 while you are working out or running, everything that you want to use it. Let's go to the heart rate now, see what we got. As you can see, we have the same result as we had in the sport mode, so that means that everything is working perfectly. And I don't think we have anything else to show you, so let's go ahead, connect the watch with Wi-Fi and test the social media or the apps that we downloaded. So we saw both of these devices, the tests and specifics and all of these stuff. So now we have both of them right here in front of us. We can compare them again. We saw how they both worked really good, and what we can say is that they both are really good to buy and wear. They look similar, they have the same screen and the same camera, 8 megapixel side camera, but the Kospet has a 2 megapixel front camera. Also it has the face recognition unlock, or the Face ID, and it looks like the only thing that the Kospet is going one step further is that Face ID. The other things, I think they are the same watch. They work both great. So let me know, what do you think, guys, which one is better and why. I will read and reply to y'all and see what do you think, guys, for these smartwatches. So this was all for today's video in Kospet Prime versus KingWear KC05. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to comment down below and we will try to reply to y'all. Thank you very much for your time and support. Hit the like button, subscribe our channel, and we will see you in the next video.